Early Monday, a bomb blast killed 6 and injured 34 people in a residential area in Peshawar, the capital of Northwest Frontier Province of Pakistan, where a police station along with a mosque were dashed to the ground, and more than a dozen of houses were also severely damaged.
It
was 7:50 in the morning. I saw a car coming very fast, and as we had earlier received the threats of an attack, I thought it's going to take place. So it did. I was hit by the rubbles from the blast. After that, I fell unconscious.
There was also an attack on the mayor of Peshawar on Sunday, but it was not successful. 2 days earlier, a deadly bomb blast killed 11 and injured 28 in Peshawar. The provincial metropolis suffered 6 similar attacks during the last 5 days, including the one on the offices of the Intelligence Agency of Pakistan on November 13. 28 people were killed and 122 were wounded during these attacks.
I was in the nearby school at the time of the blast. It was a deafening sound. All the children were scared. They started screaming and crying in shock. We could see nothing except clouds of smoke rising from the site of the blast. It was all like a hell let loose.
Many hope that the government's claim of defeating the militants are fulfilled, especially in South Waziristan, and maybe peace and tranquility returns not only in Peshawar but in the whole country.
But I think now they are in small groups all over the country, particularly around Peshawar, and this was expected. So I think once this phase is over, they are now cut off from their headquarters, and I think that these things will reduce now.
In retaliatory attacks, the militants have killed more than 450 innocent people and wounded still more since October this year, and Northwest Frontier Province became the worst hit in the country. Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani said Sunday that military operation in South Waziristan Agency would end soon as it is expected. But will that operation be successful enough to end these guerrilla attacks on the security forces across the country in general and Peshawar in particular is a $1 million question. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.